Panasonic air conditioner at a wedding measurer store at the Philippines. I went to the Philippines for summer. There's a little bit of graffiti there. Then this is Panasonic. It's got a reciprocating compressor. I can't feel the liquid line because it's inside. So I'm going to show you the top of the air conditioner. You can't really see it. There we go. Let's look at the inside of it. Okay, it's blowing out cold air and it's blowing out hot air outside. And then there's the thermostat and the main control power main controller. There's the air vent that you can turn, and there's one over here with the button came off. Here's the
Iwan mo to dito ha. Pero yung shoes and your
I'm gonna show you the outside of Philippines.
Ayaw mo na rin.
Okay, here's the outside of Philippines. Yep. And the carrier air conditioner, the one that's placed right there. Yep. Kind of cool. It's getting cooler here. So the air conditioner's over here, and then kind of cool. It's blowing out hot air outside, and it's blowing cold air outside. And then thanks for watching. More videos to come.